Hi euphonium players, Mr. Y here, obviously, with a little tutorial today on the A-flat concert scale. This is the fourth scale in your 7th grade scale packet. We are skipping the third one for now, the E-flat concert, just to go to the fourth one, A-flat concert. First thing you always want to do, of course, when you play a new piece of music is always check your key signature. In this case, you can see that you've got 4 flats in the key signature. Okay, if you know the super secret shortcut, of course, that's easy to figure out. But if you don't, you've got B flat. You can check it out. B flat there is easy. That's no vowels, of course. E flat. You guys know E flat, first valve, of course. You've done that 1,000 times. The third one is A flat. A flat is also going to be first valve, okay, and there are a couple of those in this case. In this case, since you're playing the A flat concert scale, the bottom note is A flat, and also the top note is A flat. So you've got some low A flats, first valve, and the high A flats that you have later are also first valve. So pretty easy to figure out. A lot of first valve and no vowels in this particular scale. And then the fourth flat in the key signature, of course, is D flat. D is in dunderhead flat. Dunderhead flat is second and third valve. That's the way that is, okay? I'm not going to use the fourth valve in this video because not everybody has a fourth valve, of course. So, but the D flat is second and third valve. So when you first start out, you've got A flat first, B flat, C, and then D flat is that fourth valve, fourth note, and it's second, third valve, okay? So just be careful about that. There are 2 of those in the first version of A flat concert, number 1 A flat concert. You can see also you've got an arpeggio at the end. The second to last note there does go down 1 note lower, of course. That's the low G, which is second and third valve. But there aren't any really strange notes here. Really, that D flat is probably going to be the weird one, so just watch out for that. You may want to mark it. There's only 2 of them in the whole first line. There are some more in number 2, which we'll get to in a minute. But number 1 should be pretty easy. Make sure you use lots of air for those low notes, especially at the end. Then, number 2, we've got the same old key signature here. B flats, no valves. E flats, and then A flats are both first valve. And then the D flat, again, is second and third valve. So just watch out for those. There are some more of those this time. The rhythm on number 2, since you're in 6/8, it's really kind of like playing triplets all the time. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that kind of rhythm to the whole song. Just remember the 8th note gets 1 beat. The dotted quarter notes at the end of each line get 3 whole beats. Okay, nothing too hard here, really. And again, when we do the quiz on this, you can go as fast or slow as you want to, of course. So you don't have to go very fast on this. Take your time, find your treble spots. I'm imagining probably some of your treble spots are going to be around those D flats because that's kind of the new note here. Okay? But if we take it nice and slow, number 2. Again, lots of air for those things, okay? And of course, if you need to focus your energy, do focus on a couple of the treble spots. I'm guessing, like I said, maybe the treble spots might be the D flat. So for instance, you might take the second half of the first measure and just do. Then start on the second measure and do 4 notes. Just to really train your fingers to do those D flats, okay, the second and third valve. Okay? Nothing too hard here, really, okay? Good luck with it.